Welcome to day 9 of the 30-day AI Side Hustle Challenge. So far, you've built automation, expanded product catalogs, optimized pricing, and traffic. Now, it is time to unlock a passive royalty machine by licensing your best Midjourney and Canva. Designs to print-on-demand pod marketplaces such as Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, TeePublic, Society6, and Zazzle. So those same graphics that power your printables can also decorate t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, stickers, notebooks, and pillows, generating income 24/7 with zero inventory, customer service, or shipping on your end. And thanks to AI, you can scale designs at lightning speed. First, understand the pod royalty model. You upload artwork once, set margins, marketplaces handle production, fulfillment, returns, and global logistics. You earn 10 to 20% of every sale forever, effectively cloning yourself across dozens of SKUs, while sleeping so a single viral sticker can pay rent for months. Step 1. Curate your strongest niche-focused designs. Open your Notion prompt library from day 3 sort by views or Etsy revenue and pick 5 standout graphics, maybe the pastel veggie icons gluten-free, recipe doodles, minimalist budget tracker illustrations, and motivational money quotes.